is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent teaching instructor. I worked at IRS 10 years. Welcome to my tube. I am a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I know everything that goes on at IRS. Like I said, I was a teaching instructor, so a lot of people practice at and knowing about IRS. I actually work there, so I know everything that's going on. I have been on the national news many times. Just check my website out at 777irs.com. You can learn all about me. I've been on all the major TV stations. Anyway, have you received a CP59 notice or letter? That's CP59. What the IRS is asking you is, hey, we haven't received your tax returns. What are you going to do? So what happens is IRS is starting to catch up on people who haven't filed returns, and boom, all of a sudden they're getting very active, very aggressive, and they want your tax returns. That's what this letter is all about. So IRS wants a response. If not, a couple things are going to happen. Both of them are not necessarily good, but I just want to tell you what they are. IRS will either go ahead and, if it's a large case, they'll send it out to a revenue officer in a local office, and they'll send you a 725B letter to come into the office, and they're going to ask you to bring in your records, and they're going to go through your records. The other thing they can do is they'll prepare your returns for you, which isn't going to go good, because what IRS does is they have you file married single with no exemptions, deductions, losses, or anything, and you pay the most amount of tax. All IRS wants is your tax returns. That's it. Now, many people don't file because they don't have records and they don't know what to do. If you want to do this on your own, you're welcome to. Just get your last 6 years in. You may only have 1, 2, 3, but remember, you only have to file your last 6 returns. There's a policy statement, P5133. You can look it up. IRS policy statement, P5133. You have to file your last 6. If you've lost your records or you need to hire someone, we can reconstruct those records. Being former IRS agents, we know kind of the standards to put in. If you want to do them yourself, you're welcome. IRS.gov. You can go and you can find your transcripts there, where you can go ahead and find your 1099s and W-2s, and that will be a start. So if you want to do this by yourself, you're welcome. When you go ahead and file your returns, you can expect a bill in 6 to 8 weeks, and then you can deal with IRS, kind of on your own. If somebody like us represents you, what we do is, in process of submitting those returns, we have a former IRS agent tag along, and we start getting financial data, so you get the best result when you have to deal with the IRS debt. So you're welcome to call us at any time. Feel free to. You can reach out. We are really good. We have a whole team of former IRS agents. Don't let the CP59 bother you, but you must follow up on that letter. Give me a subscription if you would. You can email me if you need to. Thank you so much. I appreciate your ear today.